2017 Jaguar F-Pace Supercharged, all the way from Iowa. We appreciate them coming down. Let me show you what we did on it. Something really crazy, guys. Cool design. Factory converter. Then first resonator right there. Second set of resonators right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe continues, and usually there's 2 mufflers here. We took them off, put 2 Dynomax race bullets, part number 24250, right there, and right there, 24250. And then we put some tips on it, different design, give it that super cool look. As you guys can see, instead of flat, I showed it earlier, they're pointing straight down. Look at that. Just gives it a sick look. If you guys agree, let us know what you guys think of these tips on this beautiful F-Pace Supercharged Jaguar. Another satisfied customer. Anyways, he's coming back on Monday. We're going to change that system. But for right now, check it out. Really nice, really cool. And there's the stock 2 mufflers, ugly mufflers that were on it that we took off right there. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends and buddies. And we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. All right, guys, round 2 on this beautiful Jaguar 2017 F-Pace. We did it a while back, and we'll try to tag the video for you guys all the way from Iowa. We appreciate them coming back down to us. And let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got factory converters there and there. Then factory resonator there. Secondary set of resonators there. And then what we did is 2 vibrant ultra quiets there and there with tips. The vibrant ultra quiets is right here. Part number 1141. Right there and right there. And then there's the tips on it. Here's the part number LCGPs. He brought his own tips and we put them on for him. There and there. Came out really clean and really nice. There it is. Clean, good-looking car. All right, guys. F-Pace Supercharged. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And we'll try to tag the other video that we done about 3 years ago, I think, with this same car. All right? Stay tuned. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Now it sounds like a Jaguar, guys. That sounds so good. What a beast. There is no rasp, man. That's awesome. Here's sound decibels. Right at 108. I love it. Look at that. Look at that stance on it. Oh, that looks so sick. And they're staggered, so it looks even better. Woo! Sucker's ready for anything. Oh, love that pop. Hi guys, all the way from Iowa. We appreciate them coming down. Here we go. F-Pace Jaguar with vibrant ultra quiets. Definitely still get tone, just quieter and deeper. There's idle. Right at 76. Ooh, raw power, man. That sounds really nice. These sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 95. So his only complaint with the Dynomax race bullets is a drone. So he's like, I'm done with the drone. He wants it a little bit quieter. That's where the vibrant ultra quiets come in and change the whole sound. And inside, it's really quiet. Give it a guess? That sounds really clean. Go ahead and back it out. wrap on it too. He did it himself. It looks really good. He added the pins too. What do you think? It's still deep. It's a lot quieter, but it's deeper. Yeah, sounds clean. Again? I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Jaguar F-Pace Supercharged. Yeah! Beast mode! That's sick, man. I love the print on it that he used. It's clean, it's classy on this. Jaguar F-Pace. It's quick. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.
2011 Porsche Cayenne. Turbo, twin turbo, carbon TRs and new tips.